The Huawei AITO M7 immediately catches the eye with its sleek and futuristic exterior design. Its smooth aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, giving the car a modern and elegant look. The front grille is bold yet sophisticated, complemented by slim, sharp LED headlights that give it a high-tech appearance. The sculpted side panels and slightly flared wheel arches add a sense of sportiness and strength. At the back, the continuous LED tail light strip stretches across the width, creating a distinctive and premium look, especially at night. The 2026 Huawei AITO M7 combines power and advanced technology. It uses an extended-range hybrid powertrain. The petrol engine mainly works as a generator to supply power to the electric motors. The dual electric motors produce about 450 horsepower combined, enabling 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration in around 4.8 seconds. Its 40 kilowatt-hour battery pack offers over 200 kilometers of pure electric driving, while the total hybrid range reaches up to 1,200 kilometers. Intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension provide stable handling and a smooth ride, whether on highways or light off-road paths. Inside, the AITO M7 blends high-end luxury with smart technology. The cabin features premium leather, soft touch materials, and metallic accents throughout. At the center sits a 15.6-inch Huawei Harmony OS touchscreen, paired with a fully digital driver display and a voice control system. Both the driver and passenger seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions. The spacious 6-seat layout provides generous legroom, making long trips comfortable. With tri-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and a premium sound system, the AITO M7's interior feels like a smart living room on wheels.